Since 1978, Dallan has been at the forefront of innovation in the metal forming industry. We've pioneered the development of rollformers and systems for thin sheet metal, setting new standards in manufacturing excellence. Our machines are the global benchmark for rolling shutters, plasterboard profiles and thin sheet metal profiles. From coil to window, coil to box to coil to pack, Dallan offers highly innovative, fully automatic systems. Our commitment to automation takes production to the next level, reducing labor costs by up to 75% with our automatic roll forming and packaging lines. This is efficiency redefined. Innovation is in our DNA, with over 110 patents in 45 years, pushing the boundaries of technology with our Delco sponging and laser cutting lines. Precision, productivity, sustainability. These are not just goals, they are what we live by. Because at Dallan, your success is not just our ambition, it's our pride.